Hare Krishna. Janmashtami celebration will be happening at Inner Circle Ground, Whitefield on 19th August, and there are opportunities to cook for Krishna.
So it means we can also cook and offer to Krishna?
Yes, you can.
But what should we cook?
We can cook any vegetarian dishes with love and devotion without onion and garlic.
How much quantity it should prepare? Should I cook for 100 people or more?
No, nothing like that. This is for Krishna, so cook in small quantity.
How can I bring the dish to the venue?
You can bring the dishes in any disposable container. It would be good if you can bring in clay pot.
I know you can cook, but I don't know how to cook. What should I do for Krishna?
Yes, don't worry. You can also offer fruits or dry fruits to Krishna. I am cooking coconut laddus for Krishna. What are you cooking for Krishna?
Hare Krishna, Hare